Ang typical struggles nating mga babae o kahit kalalakihan on our 30s is how to incorporate workout and diet on our lifestyle. Yun naman yung pinaka-struggle talaga nitong mga panahon na 'to, a healthy lifestyle kasi sobrang common na nung sedentary lifestyle. So, ang pinakaunang struggle diyan is how to manage your time. Yun din naman yung una ko talagang struggle. Ang hirap kaya na after mong magtrabaho ng 8 oras, mag-aaral ka pa o di kaya meron ka pang extra work na gagawin. Siyempre hindi gano'n kadali yun. Pero kung gusto mo, may paraan. At ako, gusto ko. Kasi nga, gaya sa mga nabanggit ko dun sa mga previous videos ko, is marami na akong naglabasang sakit since nung nag-gain ako ng weight. Well, first I started with my mental health because it all starts with your mind. Mind setting muna. Very, very important yan. Dito rin ako laging nag-uumpisa pag meron akong mga client na train sa fitness. We always first start with goal setting. Inaalam muna namin kung ano ba yung gusto niyang ma-achieve. I've done that. Ano ba yung mga gusto kong baguhin sa buhay ko? I wrote it down. Ano ba yung mga bagay na kaya kong i-let go, hindi ko kayang i-let go, gusto kong magstay. Lahat yun pinag-isipan ko, pinagpilian ko. And every single thing, every single person that doesn't fit on my ideal life, I let them go. Totoo yun. I've cut out practices, habits, change my environment. I chose the people I talk to. And the hardest part is to cut out people, to burn bridges. Because this connection, this relationship doesn't serve you anymore. It's part of mind setting. Ganun naman kasi talaga, di ba? We cannot keep everyone in our life. There will be people who will choose to stay. If they are really your friend, they'll find a way to talk to you, clear things up, make amends, and still be your friend. However you need it. Totoo yun. I still have that friend. But there are also people na even though you want them to stay in your life, they will decide to go. Kaya sa mga ganong pagkakataon, tayo naman ang na-cut out, di ba? It's something that happens to all of us. And pagka ganon, no matter how hard, how painful, you have to accept their decision and respect that they think you doesn't suit the life that they wanted. That's why they decide to cut you out. Okay lang yun. Lahat naman tayo binigyan ng choice. But that's how you found out or you will find out kung sino ba talaga yung mga taong meant to stay on your life or not. And as these things happen on the past few months, mula nang nag-umpisa ako to decide and to really choose to change my life, a lot of things have happened. It's been very, very stressful. It really challenged also yung mental health ko. But you know what I found out? After all these years, I'm so much stronger and I'm able to control my anxieties, my worries. Yes, there are still times na natitriggered ako. I overthink, I cry. Pero on important situations kung saan I should stay calm, composed, and show a strong and happy face, kaya ko na siya. And that I'm proud of. Nag-stress eating ako eh. Kaya yung diet mahirap. Kasi pag emotional ako, mas malakas akong kumain. Eh gano'n naman 'di ba tayo karamihan. So, paano? That's possible to control by controlling your emotions. By controlling your emotions, you have to be able to control your thoughts. Because it all starts there, on your thoughts. You change your mindset, your perspective sa work, on handling criticisms, corrections. Maliban doon, may ibang pangyayari pa na talagang very intense. Emergency. Tulad na lang nung na-emergency yung mother ko, na-ICU pa siya, 1 linggo sa ospital. And I was very thankful that despite of every hardship sa dumaan, nitong nakalipas na ilang buwan, is I was able to manage my mental health. That it was not able to, take the best out of me. There was even a time na, actually very, very recently, meron din akong taong nagustuhan. But, and when you like someone and it didn't work out, masakit yun. Kahit saglit lang yun, that moment when you felt that it was real, you hoped. And when you realize it's not meant for you, you hurt. But I didn't stop that from changing my mindset. Tingin ko nga, itong mga nangyari ng mga nakalipas na ilang buwan, mula umpisahan ko tong journey ko na to, is testing me, is really preparing me to be a better version of who I am. Not just physically, but mentally. After 2 months, 2 months lang yon mula nag-post ako, pero ang dami nangyari. Isipin mo yun. After nung 2 buwan na yon, I realized, now I'm mentally stronger. I'm able to compartmentalize, and I don't let my emotions get the best of me anymore. So it all starts there. It all starts with your mindset. Tsaka dapat sigurado kayo. Kung gusto nyo ng pagbabago, siguraduhin nyo. Kasi pag di kayo sigurado, wala. Titigil lang din kayo kalagitnaan. Pero pag sigurado kayo, maging anumang pagsubok ang pagdaanan nyo along the way, go, 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 push, push lang. Ganun yun, di ba?